The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, is an ancient Roman amphitheater located in the heart of Rome, Italy. Here's a historical overview of the Colosseum. The construction of the Colosseum began in AD 72 under the rule of Emperor Vespasian of the Flavian dynasty and was completed in AD 80 by his successor and heir, Emperor Titus. It was built on the site of Nero's former palace, the Domus Aurea, which was partially destroyed after Nero's death. The Colosseum is an immense elliptical amphitheater, measuring approximately 189 meters, 620 feet long, 156 meters, 512 feet wide, and 48 meters, 157 feet tall. It was constructed using concrete and sand, along with travertine limestone for the exterior facade. The amphitheater had a seating capacity of around 50,000 to 80,000 spectators, making it one of the largest Roman amphitheaters. The Colosseum was primarily used for hosting various public spectacles, including gladiator contests, animal hunts, mock sea battles, and public executions. These events were organized to entertain the Roman populace and demonstrate the power and grandeur of the emperors. The Colosseum featured a sophisticated system of ramps, tunnels, and elevators that allowed for the smooth movement of gladiators, wild animals, and props in and out of the arena. The arena floor, known as the arena, Latin for sand, was covered with sand to absorb blood and ensure better footing for the combatants. The popularity of gladiatorial contests and other violent spectacles decreased in the early Christian era, and by the 6th century, over the centuries, the Colosseum suffered damage due to earthquakes and natural disasters, and much of its original marble and stone were looted for other construction projects. In the Middle Ages, the Colosseum was repurposed for various uses, including housing, workshops, and a fortress. In the 19th and 20th centuries, efforts were made to restore and preserve the Colosseum as a symbol of Rome's ancient heritage. Today, the Colosseum is one of Rome's most popular tourist attractions, drawing millions of visitors from around the world each year. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its historical and architectural significance. The Colosseum stands as a remarkable testament to Roman engineering and remains an enduring symbol of ancient Rome's cultural and historical legacy.